5.7 Hemi, Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, 2012. I think 2011 up to 2017 are the same. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm almost sure. Oh, right here, I can see that part right here. So we want to hook it up to the dark green, and light green is positive, and then dark green and gray is negative. We want to tap the wire to it, or so now we're gonna hook up the tap. We're using a T-tap. Whoa. So dark green, that's a gray, dark green gray, right?
That's a negative.
That's a negative. And since our speaker wire is red and black, we're using black as negative and then red as positive. You can T-tap it, or you can just strip it and then wrap it together really good and tape it, you'll find. Here we are, we're running an A&L 100 amp. So we'll run it from the positive side right there and run it back down here with the speaker wire that we ran for the high-low converter. All the way back here. Now we're back here at the amplifier. We ran the ground underneath right there. We sand it off really good and then screw it, soft tap and screw it down on the floor. We got the remote wire from the high-low converter, which is line-out converter. It's called Kisloc2. We use Kickers brand. Everything Kickers in here. So we did ran 1600 watt Kickers. So the red wire that we ran from the positive side, which is that green and dark green and light green, is positive right here. We hook it up to the white and gray, and then the wire that came from the left, right rear seat, right rear, not right rear speakers, which is dark green and gray, is the negative side, which is the black wire that we ran for the speaker wire that we ran. We hook it up to the gray, black, and white black. So with the high-low converter, you had to run the black wire, the little black wire right here, go to the ground, and the remote wire go into the remote right here, and then that 12 volt that we ran from the battery will go straight to here. And then the speaker, you got 2 positive and 2 negative, go to the speaker right here, and it sounds great, no problem. I don't know about the setting yet, because the setting on the radio, we had to take the it's called the Chevy is called ANC, which is auto noise cancellation. On Jeep, I forgot what it's called, but something relating to speed compensation or something like that. I'm not exactly sure. It's in Spanish, and I couldn't figure out which one it is, but I'm gonna try a second. Really?
Better too. Yeah. 5.7 liter.
Wow, that's bigger than mine for sure.
I pull your trailer back.
Yeah, this does not have the auto no ANC or noise compensation, or noise compensated, or noise compensation. You have to turn it off, so you don't have that on this model. So that's great then.